In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Wix website as a PDF in just 5 minutes. This is a handy skill to have when you need to save web content for offline use, or when you want to ensure a page remains unchanged over time. First things first, go ahead and open the website page you want to save. Make sure it's the live version of the page because this is what you'll be converting into a PDF. Double check that everything looks as it should. Sometimes pages appear differently when you preview them in editing mode compared to when they're live. Once you've got your page ready, it's time to open your browser's print dialog. Now this process can be slightly different depending on whether you're using a PC or a Mac. If you're on a Windows machine, you can do this by pressing Ctrl and the letter P on your keyboard simultaneously. And for those on a Mac, it's Command and P. This quick shortcut opens the print settings right away, saving you the hassle of navigating through menus. With the print dialog box open, you're looking at a variety of options. From here, the key step is to change your print destination. The list may show a default printer, but you want to look for the option that says Save as PDF. This particular feature is now widely available in most browsers, including Chrome and Firefox. Once you select Save as PDF, you'll notice the preview on the left changes slightly to reflect this new format. Now, you'll see some additional settings, adjustments like margins or the layout you may want to tweak. But in most cases, you can leave these settings as they are for a standard web page. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Save button. When you hit Save, your browser will prompt you to choose a location on your computer to save the PDF file. It's a good idea to choose a location that's easily accessible, perhaps on your desktop or in a dedicated folder for your web files. Make sure to give the file a meaningful name so you can easily identify it later. And just like that, your Wix website page is now a PDF document stored on your computer. This document can be easily shared via email or uploaded to cloud storage for easy access later. Remember that the PDF is a static snapshot of the page at the time you saved it, so any updates to the live site won't be reflected